I'm riding a Yamaha FZ1 1000cc when the sun's out. Yeah, I do 2 trips a year. I do one MotoGP. Favourite one is Assen in Holland. But this year we're off to, a couple of us are going down to Valencia in Spain on our bikes to watch the MotoGP. So we always try and do one a year, and we have a small trip maybe to Devon on the bikes with the lads, because otherwise you spend all your time fixing other people's bikes to go on holiday and you never get out yourself, so you've got to make these trips. It is, you know, we tell the truth to people. We don't put parts on people's bikes without phoning them first. If the parts are outside of the service parts, we find little things wrong with them, we always phone them up first. Put them in the picture and just let them know how much more it will cost if they want it done. We always advise if we think it needs doing. Just keep people in touch with what's going on so they know what they're going to pay at the end of the day.